In this guide, we'll show you how to change green messages to blue on an iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First off, a green message means it's been sent as an SMS using your mobile network. A blue message, on the other hand, is sent via iMessage, which uses the internet and Apple's messaging service. Now, to get blue messages, both you and the recipient need to have iMessage enabled on Apple devices. The recipient also needs to have iMessage activated for the message to turn blue. To ensure iMessage is enabled on your device, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Messages. Before we enable iMessage, I'll show you that the message is currently being sent as green. Now, let's enable iMessage. Just tap on the toggle to switch it on and wait for it to activate. You can also select which email addresses or phone numbers you'd like to use for sending and receiving iMessages. Once iMessage is activated, go back to your messages and you'll see that any new message you send will be blue. That's it, you've now set up iMessage, and your messages should send as blue from now on.